Hi families, this is our work sample PowerPoint for work samples that are due on December 16th, 2022. So for this group of samples, I will have you submit for math unit 6.5, and it's completed on December 1st, 2022 in the OLS. It is 2 pages. I appreciate you labeling them with the name, the date, the unit and lesson number, and page 1 or page 2, depending on what page you're labeling. For phonics, it is a worksheet. It's OP and OT families. So students will just circle the rhymes, and it's also December 1st, and it's unit 14.3, and again labeled with the name, the date, and the unit and lesson number. Science I'm going to do different this time. I don't like the way that the samples are presented on December 1st through science, so I'm going to create my own sample, which I'm allowed to do. So I'm going to have you label it as December 1st and put NA or not, I cannot say the word applicable for a unit because it's not. And I want students to draw their favorite food to eat that's good for them. So they're probably not going to draw cotton candy, maybe chicken, fish, vegetables, anything like that. And then have them either, depending on where they are with their writing, label it or write a sentence, or you can write a sentence, that they tell you. For social studies, I'm going to go down the same route. I'm going to have you do it again for December 1st, unit NA, because again, I don't like the unit that they present. It's just hard to be able to grade some of the questions they ask, and I like to see student work more. Since it is about past, present, and future, I thought, they could draw their favorite place to visit or someplace they'd like to go, because that has to do with, just in the presence, They can also add a word or a sentence if they'd like, because that's pretty cool. And yeah, those are our work samples. Make sure you do your PE logs as well. And it is preferable that you get these to me sooner than later, closer to December 1st. Maybe, please don't wait till December 16th, unless you absolutely have to. I appreciate it. Thanks for all your hard work. Thanks, guys.